friends. This is Nargis. Welcome to SSIS Social Corner. Yeah, today's topic is very interesting and very innovative. Can you all observe the picture which has been displayed before you? It consists of what? You can observe a male, you can observe the businessman, you can observe many medias which have been used. It consists of social. So, why do we learn social? What is the main importance of social? Yes. So here we have the importance of social media also as well. Is it imaginable to lead a happy life without social media? Of course, no. Social media nowadays plays a very important role even in child life. Without a social media, leading a happy life is really impossible. So here we have the importance of social media. Few are, it improves more opportunity, it hires the conversation, it decreases marketing costs, it riches the customers' experiences, improves the customers' insights. So few importance can be mobilized and exhibited in day-to-day life. So here we have few differences between the natural science and the social science. So social science is very important, right? Because day-to-day updates and the development of each society and the person, the personality, business, everything could be observed by learning social science. Yeah, the Mary of fast regretting disease like corona, which comes under the subject of social science and even science. So it tells us the details about how a person should be, how it has been caused, and what are the protocols to be followed. So what are the measurements to be taken to rectify this COVID-19? So many details could be observed by learning the social science. Here we have further three divisions, that is history, geography, and civics. What is a history? Why it is very important to learn about history? History means the study of past events, which tells about how our ancestors were living and what were the developments they did in social, economic, as well as in political life of development of our country. Next, we have the topic geography. Geography tells or gives us the details about the physical and the political development of our India. And it explains about the different landforms as well as its formations and its divisions. So it covers up natural as well as the artificial life which enumerates our earth. Next comes the civics. What is the civics? Why it is very important to learn civics? Civics are the subject which denominates or which explains about the rule, that is the government rules, and the government undertakes the people in their hand. So what are the measurements were taken and how it has been proceed and how it has been processing. So we all know the rule, right? Like for the people, by the people, to the people, which talks why the government is. So these importance could be learned from the subject civics. So these all three subjects like history, geography, and civics are very much important, which are elaborately consist of a point of social science, and it is very much mandatory that a student or a human must learn the details of the subject social science. So have fun, learn more detail, also learn more about a social science and develop your socialic life. Thank you everyone. Have a happy day.